Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make curry of raw banana. Peel and cube the raw bananas, then parboil for 5 minutes to firm them. Heat oil, temper mustard seeds and curry leaves, then fry onions until golden brown. Add spices, coconut and tamarind or tomatoes, then fold in the bananas gently. Simmer until flavors meld and the curry thickens, adjusting salt and heat to taste. Gather your ingredients before you start cooking for a smooth process. Peel and cube 3 raw bananas and measure spices so you can work quickly. Grate 1 cup coconut or prepare 1 tablespoon coconut paste for creaminess and body. Have tamarind or a ripe tomato ready for tang, and keep curry leaves and mustard seeds close for tempering. This setup keeps the cooking flow relaxed and pleasant. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They feel great after long kitchen shifts and they last forever. Check the description for the link and other deals. It helps the channel when you use those links, and now let's get back to the video. Start by heating oil and tempering mustard seeds, curry leaves, and dry chilies to release aroma. Sauté onions and garlic until translucent, then stir in turmeric and chili powder briefly to toast the spices. Add cubed bananas and grated coconut, stirring to coat each piece evenly. Pour in a little water, cover, and simmer on low until curry thickens and flavors blend. Finish with a squeeze of lemon or tamarind for brightness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.